everyone, this is Chris from Metalli company. Today I will introduce you guys about the liquid cooling system. As we all know, the water the heat capacity is much higher than the air, so it can take more energy compared with the air. But how does a liquid cooling system works? Today I will introduce guys. And here this is the water tank, which is used to store the water. Here comes the signal tube. This is the water pump. It drives the water, goes through the liquid system. It's very important part of the liquid system. And here is the flowmeter, which is records the flow rate from the water pump. Then goes here. This is the heat plates. It's the heater source. It's 300 watt, and when we plug in, the heat rods in the middle will produce electric energy, and the electric energy will totally turn into heat energy. So it warms the plates, and if without the cooling plates, the temperature will become very high. But with the cooling plates, it brings the heat from the plates. As you know, the cooling plates, they have a lot of channel, which is increase the heating area. So after the outlets, the water will become warmer, but it brings the heat from the heat plates. And the warm water goes through here. This is the radiator. You can see that there are a lot of outfins, and this side, inner side, there have a lot of inner fins. When the warm water goes into the inner fins, and the outer fins, the air from the fans will have the heating convection with the warm water. So the outlet, the water will decrease. Then goes the next loop, and until the 300 watt, the heat will totally dissipate by the radiator. Then the water and the heating source, the temperature will go stable. So this is all the system. This is how the system works. And now we will start to look how it really works. Okay, let me first just open plug in the heating plates. Let me see how the heating plates temperature rise. You can see here I plugged in the heating plates. The temperature of the heating source will rise. Okay, you can see now it's 21. You can see the temperature is rising, but it's a little slowly because we have the conductive grease here, so it okay, you can see the temperature now is 32. It has increased 10. Now you can see the temperature is also 32. But the temperature will continue increase because we did without the cooling plates to dissipate the heating. It will increase a very high temperature. So it's a little dangerous. With the cooling plates, now I will plug in the water pumper and the fans. Now the fans works, and I will pour the water into the water. Then I plug in the water pumper. The system will work. You can see the water pump drives the water into the system, and the water will bring the heat from the heating source. And now that see the temperature will decrease, but it will really slowly. Now the flow rate is 3 millimeter per minute. You can see the temperature is decreasing now. When all the radiator it dissipates the 300 watt the heat, then the temperature will go stable, and the system will go stable. The water under the heating source temperature will go stable. Now let me have a test the plate's surface. You can see the temperature is decreased now. It's around 23, and the measure for this here, and you can see the temperature right now. The temperature of the heating plate is around 26, so it means that it goes stable. Let me see measure the water. The water will become warmer. You can see the water right now is 19.